Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SA-C600 amplifier, receiver, CD player, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings with it, and you don't have the controller, or maybe it's not responding or something like that, so it's not, the buttons are not working, and so you're trying to troubleshoot that issue. We can actually just force it to do a hard restart to the factory default settings just via the unit itself. This will also restore it if for whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box with pairing information and everything wiped off of it. All we need to do is we're just going to start by unplugging the device. We're going to wait a couple minutes, and then once we do that, then we're just going to come in and press and hold the power button, and while pressing and holding the power button, we can go ahead and plug it back in. Once we just plug it back in, it will start up. Just keep holding the power button for a little bit more, and then you can release it, and after about 3 minutes it will go into its factory default, and it will actually say initialized on the display, at which point you can set it up like a new device.